All right, gang, what's going on, y'all? Dropping a video for y'all, man. It shouldn't be a crazy video, like in terms of like the length of this video. I'm aiming for like realistically 10-15 minutes, but actually, first of all, I'm at the mall right now. Let me show y'all. We got some snow coming in right over there and there, but yeah, man. So this video, man, I know y'all saw the title and you probably thinking, oh my god, he's done it again. You know what? Yo, they're parachuting up there. Look at this. It's kind of cool. Random as hell, but kind of cool. But yeah, man. Yeah, so y'all probably thinking, here we go again. Another clickbait video. You're not buying shit. Before y'all even get to that point and you suspect or you think you have an idea what the hell's finna happen or what I'm finna say, I'm gonna go ahead and ruin it for you. You're definitely wrong if you're thinking the alternative. You're wrong. But yeah, man. So what's about to happen, slash, I guess I'll just start it like this. I had a conversation with my wife, and yeah, so for those that aren't aware, I'm getting out the Army, and is that a stop sign? Yeah. Long story short, my wife gave me the ultimatum, and she said, hey, she's like, you can go buy your drink. Bro, what the fuck you doing, dude? She gave me the ultimatum. She said, hey, look, you can go buy your dream car, or you can buy your dream SUV. You can get basically any car you want, or I can do the Ripp Supercharger kit for this car, or the Sprint Tex and get the PCM. Either way it go. So if you're following, if you haven't clicked off the video, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised to know that, hey man, look, my wife is on board for this, right? And I say that might sound crazy. Oh, your wife is on board, and you know, this and that. That's cool, man. Have your views and all of that. But me and my wife we got a thing. We're not gonna go out and do nothing crazy, reckless financially. We're not gonna go out and do nothing like that unless we know for sure all cards or all ducks are in a row. So as it looks, as it stands right now, today, which is Wednesday, I don't even know the date of today, but it's Wednesday. Yeah, everything is in a row. Everything is lined up. So yeah. And I'm trying to give y'all all of this in like one take, but I'm probably gonna have to edit stuff out. It's whatever. But yeah, man, so those are the options. Listen, here's the thing. I can go to man, this fucking guy over here dancing, y'all. Yeah, man, but I can do a Charger 5.7, a Charger 6.4 liter, a fucking a Grand Jeep Cherokee SRT8, Trackhawk. Trackhawk ain't really reasonable, but a Trackhawk, a Hellcat, basically you name it, I can do it. My wife is on board with it. But I mean, obviously, the thing that I'm kind of curious to see what y'all are going to say is, should I just keep this and supercharge it? Because this car be paid off like in a year or so. Should I just keep it and supercharge it? You know, because the V6, my channel was always based around the V6 and what you can do to the V6, and basically just showing y'all things you can do. But now I'm starting to branch into the expensive shit. So this is what I need y'all to do, man. Drop a comment, like right now. Pause the video, drop a comment on what you want me to do, and I'll repeat the options, man. And it's not necessarily I can buy a Charger or a Hellcat. It's like literally all options are open. You name it, man. A Mustang if I wanted, a Z01 Camaro if I wanted. All options are there. I just don't know what I want to do. I ran this on Instagram. I saw what Instagram folks said. A lot of them, majority of them, said, hey man, just keep the 300 and supercharge it, because nobody else is doing what I'm doing. Nobody is doing it. So stay original, make a build. That's basically what everybody was getting at. Don't go out and just buy it, you know, team built, not bought. Keep building the car. I'm not gonna tell y'all which direction I'm leaning, but either way it go, I gotta go left, I gotta go right. I can't go straight. So, I say all that to say this, man. Listen, let me know what y'all think would be best for this channel. Let me know what y'all let me know what y'all think would be the best move. And I'm gonna say excluding a Trackhawk, unless I come across a Trackhawk that's like 60, 70 grand, which I'm not, because those are really, really pricey. Anything else is on the table, anything. And I will not be buying a 6-cylinder in whatever I do decide to get. If I decide to get something, it's not going to be a 6, it's going to be an 8. But drop a comment, man. I kind of been rambling, but this should be exciting for y'all, man. I'm excited. Fuck, this shit is goddamn. I probably got high blood pressure right now, honestly. But I took my medicine today, you know. But yeah, man, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like, weigh the options. What would you do if you had the funds to buy whatever you wanted to buy realistically here? What would you do? What would be your play? What would be your option? Let me know. But then also let me know, what would you do if you were me? Keep the 6, supercharge it, do some other things to it, big shit, not little shit. Like, that little shit is out the window as of probably in the next month or so. Let me know what y'all would do. I'll definitely be waiting to see these comments, man, and I will definitely be responding to each and every one of them. So I'm not gonna really hold y'all no more, man. I'm driving, I'm about to go on base, and let me show y'all the snow yet again. There we go. It's actually coming over the mountain now. But yeah, man, I'm out of here till next time. Actually, I'm gonna go and do the second video for y'all, man, and that's gonna probably hit y'all Monday, maybe Tuesday. I gotta see what's actually queued for Monday. But till then, man, listen, y'all stay safe, stay out the way, rest in peace. Young Dolph, Flipper, King of Memphis. And I'm about to play his music and I'm about to get out of here, y'all. Stay safe. We out.